Hi, this is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the raised pattern of your keychain. If you want it to be a second color, meaning notice I made this black and the base I already showed you how to make is blue, then this is going to need to be a separate part. So anytime you want a second color, it's got to be a separate, unique part. So I'm going to go File, New Part, like always. I'm going to start a 2D sketch on the XY plane, and then you can come up with whatever pattern you'd like. My example, I used text. I did my initials, and you can change the font, which I didn't do. You can change the size, so you can play around with that until it's the size that you want. And you can underline or bold or strike through. I made mine bold. Now that was pretty easy, right? Finish sketch. You're going to make this 3D by using the extrude tool. And I extruded mine by 1/8. Now, this is tricky. We want to suspend this over the top of the other part in Cura when we go to print. Cura will not suspend this as is. For some reason, we have to trick the machine or the software by putting something on the back side to make it float over the base. To make it float, I need to put something here. And it can be super tiny where you never ever will even see it. We just need to trick the computer. Right? And now we need to extrude that. And notice it automatically chose it, and we need to make this the amount that we need to suspend it. So since I made the base 1/8 of an inch, which is 0.125, that's how much I want to extrude this by, and then it'll float over the top. Lastly here, let's color it in before we save. You do not have to use these colors, it's up to you. And like always, make sure you save. And you save to your H drive and keychain. Use a naming system that makes some kind of sense. I call this raised pattern. Alright, hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any additional questions.